EBSCOHost is the database that we're going to work on in this tutorial. So go to the NCMC homepage. You will click on Menu. Then you will see the link for Student Resources. Student Resources can also be accessed in Brightspace. This is just another way to get there. So click on Library. And now we're going to look at databases and articles. And we all know that databases are a great way to get information for college classes with reputable information and citation help. The one that we're going to look at is EBSCOHost databases. This is our largest database system. It is made up of many different databases, as you can see. But the one that I believe is most user-friendly for our students is A to Z list. So go ahead and click on that. Then you're always going to come to this screen. It's asking you which one of the databases. Well, you know what? I don't know. So I want to look through everything that we have. I'm going to click the select box. So I'm telling EBSCO I need for you to look through all your databases for me. I need some really great results. So the first thing I'm going to look at today is organic food. Organic food. Now I could put that in quotation marks, so I'm talking to EBSCO and I'm saying keep those two words together. I don't want food results and I don't want organic results. I want organic food results. So I'm going to click search. Now this is probably going to be a very big search and I'm okay with that. We have 37,000 results, but remember on Google you would have a lot more results than that. But let's go over here to the refining our results. Well, I know that I want full text. Full text means that I can read the entire article. I'm not just going to get an abstract. So you'll notice that took about 10,000 results right off of our page. The other thing is I'm going to, for this information, I want it to be in the last 5 years. So I'm going to click on that and that's going to update it. Now remember, we're at 21,000 results. Now we're at 2,000 results. But this is going to make my life easier because it's going to go directly to exactly what I want. So let's look at this one. 5 vital facts about organic food. By clicking on the title, I go directly to the information about that article. I'm getting an abstract, so I can look at that and say, yeah, I think I want to pursue this further. This would work well for me. Or I think, oh my, I need to look in a different area, maybe chronic disease or wellness or pesticides. Or I could use this information to find similar results. But I've looked at the article and I want to look at the full text of that article. So I go again to my left side. Remember, that's where we did those limiters. And it's going to download that article for me so that I can see how it appeared in the magazine that it was located in. This one happens to be a magazine. It could be a journal. It could be a book. Now on your left, you're going to see some more tools for you. You can save it to your Google Drive. You can certainly print it. You can email it to yourself. This is one of my favorite things to do, students, because lots of times when we're doing research, we're just too busy to look at it right then. So I'm going to put my information in there. And I'm going to title it Organic Food so I know what this is about, what this email is about that I'm getting. And then I am going to include the citation. Now I'm doing this paper for Mrs. Cowling. I've decided I'm going to do Mrs. Cowling's paper. So she's going to want to have modern language or the MLA citation. So you know what's going to appear in your inbox, your email inbox, this entire article with your citation also. And you will want to look for EBSCOHost. That's who it'll come to. So it may appear in your junk box, but it's going to come to your pirate email if that's the email account you had chose. It's whatever email account you send it to. Okay, so I have a record of that. I could add it to a folder if I wanted to do that. In order to add it to a folder, you need to create an account in EBSCO, and that's simple to do too. It's your decision. Now the permalink, this is really important, students, because this permalink right here, this is the link back to this article. A lot of students think you're going to use the URL address. They are entirely different. This URL address will not open if you try to send it to somebody, so you need to send the permalink instead, okay? So what do you think about EBSCO already? It's a wonderful, and you'll see my email has already come to me. So I've sent that article and I've gotten a copy of it before I ever moved on to my next search. As always, if you need any help, please come to Ask a Librarian, located on every page in the library. We are here to help you.